All right, number 16, we have to solve for r where s is equal to c over 1 minus r. So I need to get r by itself. So the problem is, or what the difficult part is it's tied with that 1 and the negative, and it's in the denominator spot. So first off, we've got to get it off the denominator spot. So how am I going to get it out of the denominator? How am I going to get 1 minus r out of the denominator? What do I need to do to both sides? Yeah. So I'm going to multiply each side by 1 minus r. I should have rewritten it, but we'll get it figured out. So it's gone on, we removed it from the right side. Now we have it on the left side, and it's getting multiplied with the s. Now, I'm not going to combine it, and I'm not going to distribute it, because then I would just have to take it out anyway. I mean, I guess I could, but then I'm going to have to divide by s. So I'm just going to kind of leave it as is, because I don't need to put it together just to take it back apart. Does that make sense? So if I have 1 minus r times s, now how am I going to get the s over to the other side? Divide it. So if I divide it, so if I divide both sides by s, gone and gone. So I have 1 minus r equals c over s. Now it just becomes a simple addition or subtraction, however you want to look at it. Okay? And it really doesn't matter to me what you move. I'm going to move the 1 over and then divide everything, or then change all the signs. So I'm going to subtract 1 basically from each side and have negative r equals c over s minus 1. And then whenever I divide everything by negative 1, it's just going to change it to r equals negative c divided by s plus 1. Now, what I could have done up here, kind of an alternate route here, okay, kind of an option 2, would have been to add the r over and done 1 equals c over s plus r, and then subtracted c over s from both sides, and gotten 1 minus c divided by s equal to r. It's still the same thing, it's just in a different order. Okay, so this is also the same. That's the same answer. Okay, it's just an alternate way of doing it, and then I don't have to divide anything by a negative 1. Okay, so kind of at that middle step, or that middle road, once you get it to 1 minus r, you kind of have options. You could have separated it, you could have moved the r over and made it positive and then moved everything, or we could have just done it the way